how to apply for TikTok Live. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Then, scroll down to the Support and About section and tap on Report a Problem. Once you are here, go to the Live section. From here, select Hosting Live. Then, tap on How to Start a Live. Here you can view the guidelines regarding the issue. If your problem is still not resolved, then tap on No as shown. Then, tap on Need More Help. Here you can send a message to TikTok support regarding the issue you are facing. Go to the text bar and type in your problem. For example, ask for help on how to start a TikTok Live. Then, tap on the Send button and wait for their response. Following these steps, you can apply for TikTok Live.